Hi guys, this is me Jaden. Today we're going to a Soft Gloss Max car wash. Okay, we're entering the bay. Careful. Oh, stop. And here we go with our tray foam here. Oh no. No, I'm just kidding. And here we go, here the wash begin. Here we go, here the wash begin. The wash is starting now. Here we go, here the wash begin. The brushes are spinning and here we go, here the wash begin. Doing good here. And a spot-free rinse. That stopped it. And here we go. Oh my God, this is the best day ever in my life. The car is shaking. Oh my God. What the car is shaking. Oh my God. Oh my God, the car is shaking. Phew, it's like shaking like that. Okay, here we go with this giant top brush going down, I guess. And this brush will start, and now it's going to go to the back. And here we go with the top brush. Oh God. And the top brush is doing good. And no, this brush. And you want to see in the top. Oh my God. Oh. And here we go with the rinse. The top brush scared me. Oh my God. Here we go with the rinse. Oh my God, the brush broke. With the rinse. Okay, it's rinsing in the back. It's good, and it's going to rinse again. I heard water, and here we go again to rinse. The blower is going to start in 48 seconds, I don't know. The rinse, it's pretty low here, I don't know. I don't know why the car wash is so slow today. It's like a Ryko car wash, but I don't know why it's slow. Top brush is doing good in the top. And here we go with the other rinse. Again. That top brush is going to fall down. Look at that top brush right there. Oh, yeah. And here we go with the dryers. Here we go with the Here we go with the dryer starts now. Here we go with the dryers. And the top brush is going to spin right now. And here we go with the dryers. Ooh, there he is. Here we go with the dryers. Okay, the dryer is starting and the brush, everything. No. It's gonna dry here. Okay, it's drying and the top brush is spinning. It's getting all the water out. I like this. Okay, now those are the do you know the water? That's the water. That's why the car is stopped. And water, top, and here. Yo, what's that? Hey, and hey, pretty good. And cool. Imagine a fact, but it's almost done now. The water over there doesn't take off. And you want to see the car wash? Now it's done. Thank you guys for watching the Soft Gloss Max Ryko car wash, and we're going to get out into the bay. Where's the Ryko thing? They taped it off. Why? Thank you guys for watching the Soft Gloss Max Ryko car wash with a Toyota RAV4. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.